binary operators. In the binary operators, there are 4 operators which fall under this particular binary operators. The first operator which falls under this binary operators is arithmetic operators. The second one is relational operators. The third one is logical operators. The fourth one is bitwise operators. So these are the 4 operators which falls under the category of binary operators. First, let us understand what is binary operators. The name itself, it is saying that binary, which means 2. There should be 2 operands. In between the 2 operands, there is an operator in between. Operand 1, operand 2. And there is an operator in between 2 operands. That is why we call it as a binary operand or binary operators. First one is arithmetic operators. In the arithmetic operators, there are different operators. The first one under the arithmetic operators is addition, and it is represented by a symbol called plus. It is used to add 2 operands. Let's take the example as 2 plus 3. It gives 5, which means a binary operator, that is a binary operand, is in between 2 operands 2 and 3, and it performs certain action on that particular operands. It gives the result as 5. Next, subtraction. The symbol is minus. If I say 10 minus 5, it gives the result as 5. Next, the third one is multiplication. We all know by the conventional representation of multiplication sign is x. But as part of our C programming language, multiplication symbol is denoted with star. Multiplication symbol is denoted with star. Let us take an example. 2 star 3, which means it should evaluate into a single value followed by the given operator. So what is that given operator? Star. 2 star 3 is nothing but 6. So this is how the expression will be evaluated. Next, division. Division is denoted with slash. Let us take an example. 10 divided by 5. The result will be 2. In the division, we are going to get the quotient as our result. Next, the last one, modulo division. Modulo division is represented with a symbol called percentile. Percentile symbol. Now the same example, 10 percentile 5. What would be the result here? Here the result is 0. That is, division takes quotient as the result. Modulo division takes the remainder as result. Okay, this is the difference between these 2 operators. Now I think everyone is clear about these operators, what are there as part of your arithmetic operators. Now let us take the second one, that is relational operators. Relational operators are nothing but they give the relation or comparison between 2 things. Whether the person A is taller than the person B, or the person A is shorter than person B. Both are of same height, or they both are not equal in their size or in their height or in their weight. So all these comparisons we are going to do in the relational operators. So the different operators which comes under this category are, the first one is greater than, and it is represented by the symbol greater than. Okay. Next, the second one is less than. Less than. It is represented by the symbol less than. Next, the third one is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Next, less than or equal to. Next, equal to, which means double equal to sign. Double equal to sign. Next, the last one is not equal to. Generally, in the mathematical notation, we say not equal to as just you will write a equal to sign, followed by you will put a cross on that particular equal to sign. But as part of our C language, we need to denote as exclamatory sign followed by equal to, which is nothing but not equal to sign. Now let us see what actually this relational operators does. This relational operators will give you the Boolean result. That is, either it is true or false, but not both. Let us take some examples, starting from the first one. Greater than sign. 10 is greater than 20. Is this result true or false? 10 is greater than 20. The result is false, as 10 is smaller than 20. This is what we need to understand as part of the decision making also. These symbols are very, very important. 10 greater than 20, the result is false. 100 greater than 50, the result is true. So this is how we need to understand which comes true and which comes false by comparing two operands. Next, less than. 40 less than 100. The result is true, as 40 is less than 100. If I say 40 is greater than 100, then it is false. Now if I am saying 40 is less than 10, then it is false, as 40 is actually greater than 10. Next, third one is greater than or equal to. In the earlier case, we have seen like greater than. Now if I am asking, is 10 greater than 10? The answer is obviously false, because 10 cannot be greater than 10. Then what it should be there? 10 is equal to 10 actually, but whenever we are using greater than sign, if we are following by equal to, 10 is greater than or equal to 10, then the result is true. If I say 10 is greater than 10, the result is false. If I say 10 is greater than or equal to 10, the result is true. Similarly, if I say 100 is greater than or equal to 5, greater than or equal to 5, yes, 100 is greater than 5. What about or? While I am reading itself, I am reading it greater than or equal to. Or means it can be either one, whether it is greater than or equal to, right? If any one is true, then obviously the conclusion will be true. Next, less than or equal to. 50 is less than or equal to 100. The answer is true because 50 is less than 100. What about equal to sign? I am saying it as or. 50 less than or equal to 100. Obviously the result is true. 50 is less than or equal to 20. No. The result is false. Right? Next, equality sign, that is equal to. We need to represent it as double equal to sign. 20 is double equal to 20. The result is true. 20 is double equal to 5. The result is false. Okay, this is about the equality sign. Like in mathematical we say LHS equal to RHS. The same way the left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. It is very, very important. Next, the last one is not equal to. 50 not equal to 100. While reading itself we need to understand the context. 50 not equal to 100. Obviously the result is true because 50 is not equal to 100. Now if I am saying 50 is not equal to 50, actually 50 is equal to 50. But here now I am saying 50 is not equal to 50, which means the result is false. So this is how the relational operators works. These are the different list of relational operators and we have seen examples for each.